Shout out to Layla Hepburn. Underground beats all day. Yeah, man. Yo, I'm killing the beat. I'm a nightmare when I wake, I appear in your sleep. I'm a beast, and I'm willing to feast on your dreams like a leech. I'm a demon that speaks. Yo, I'm killing the beat. I'm a nightmare when I wake, I appear in your sleep. I'm a beast, and I'm willing to feast on your dreams like a leech. I'm a demon that speaks.
This one is not. It's not as this one. Because we're stuck in the corner.
If they try to drag you down, rise above it and achieve. You can do anything if only you believe. So what you waiting for? Go and get it, you will see. If you run at it head on, then you will succeed. The girl made the beat, I got delivery. So yeah, I'm the man. When things get hard, you gotta keep your chin up. That's why I write these bars and up. Reach a level that no one can touch. I'm too much, let's go. Hit that beat and bust, yeah.
Money! Finally on the countryside. So lovely. I forgot to bring his treats. Well, they're in the house, but I meant to bring them out. I was going to do some training with him. You having fun, little buddy? Don't know if he's allowed off the lead here. Where are we going? Right, Molly. We're supposed to be going on the long bits. This is the hay grass. Don't think we're supposed to jump over it like this. You're so funny. Jesus. You can walk, Marley. I have to lift my legs. I don't even know what they said about this, but I really don't. Right, stay away from the hay. It says to feed the animals, so we don't want you doing toilets on it. Jesus Christ in hell. Off the hay. Off the hay. Marley, off the hay. You cannot jump around on the hay. It's great fun. Oh, I love it here. Ah, it's got stung all down my leg. Tried to use my jeans, out my leg with my jeans. Try and push the nettles out the way for Marley. And I thought I wouldn't get stung because I'm wearing jeans. I did get stung. This is so cool, Marley. I want to live here. Hold up. I want to go up to that bit. That little bridge. Ah, I'm going to fall. I'm going to fall. I want to go fishing. There's got to be something alive in there, isn't there? Come here. Good boy. I don't drop my phone in there. £700 down the shitter. Right, where are you going? Don't fall in, little buddy. Don't fall in, okay? You're covered in dirt. What's all that stuck to you? Just trying to see if there's any fishies. Calm down, little buddy. This grass is too long for Marley. And there's Mima's house. Hang on. All the way over there. Ah, I'm tired. I want to go to bed. Is it good? Come on. Good morning. Morning time. It's so cold, but it's so bright. But the sun is up. I can't look over there. I'm going to have some tea and then take Marley for a walk. I don't drink tea, but it's cold, so I want something hot. Hey, wee man, we're going to go over that way, back to the water, and see if there's any fish in it. God, I cannot see a thing, it's so bright. This does not feel safe. I'm going for a walk. There's nowhere to walk. And the cars come speeding down here. Where's the car coming now? A minute ago, cars came on both sides of the road at the same time. So I would have become like a pancake. See what I mean? Kill you in a fucking heartbeat. Crazy bastards. Need a pavement. Alright. Need a pavement, Marley. Hopefully there's a pavement up here. There's at least grass I can walk on. That'll do. This does not feel safe one bit. I think we're gonna die on this road. Hey Marley, we're gonna die. Stop pulling. I'm excited to be in the countryside. I don't like this. Let's go to Foxhole. Alright, fishes. Nice little doggy, isn't it? Good boy, Marley. It's a bit worrying. Hope no one shoots me.